Today, we're talking about what it means to make it home. For a veteran, it means a lot. We wish for every American service member to stay safe out there and make it home Godspeed. And when you do, we hope you take advantage of the home loan benefits you've earned. These veterans are making it home with a home of their own. And one of the best things about home ownership is that it's yours. After serving and protecting the country, it's only right to be able to enjoy the freedom you protected in the safety and security of your own home. When you work with Veterans First Mortgage, you can expect a higher level of service, personal attention, and communication. Their track record proves that they have the expertise to help veterans throughout the home buying journey, whether buying their first home or refinancing.
I think that providing personal attention to the borrower is really kind of an extension of who the loan officers are. And in building respect, part of our culture is build respect with the borrower. Making that personal connection with the borrower from the beginning is what kind of separates us from our competition, really caring about their experience the entire way.
At Veterans First Mortgage, it's just different there. You can feel the personal attention, and you can tell how these veterans feel about their loan officers.
I named my new home, 136 Ralston, I named it Celeste. I named it Celeste because if it was not for her, I wouldn't be here.
He was always there to answer my questions. You know, I would email him at 10:30 because I have anxiety about something. Next morning, 8 a.m., I have an email. You know, he answered every one of my questions. He was clear, concise. He alleviated all of my concerns.
We can routinely close loans in less than a month if the buyer is willing to take that extra effort and take those extra steps to get into their home.
At Veterans First Mortgage, they've seen it all, and decades of experience and knowledge are key to getting veterans approved. Sometimes a veteran needs a partner who's willing to listen and dig deeper to offer real assistance. A little extra attention can go a long way.
He became a member of our family. I mean, we have not to this day seen a picture of Ben, talked to him, and we emailed him, and so he just became the friend who was helping us through this process.
Every veteran has a unique story that's unique to them. You know, that's one of the things that I do love about my job is being able to listen to their story and get to know them on a personal level, and finding out, you know, what has motivated them and what has kept them going.
Being able to work with somebody that you know have your best interests at heart. And even though I never met him, never seen him, I could tell over the phone that he was concerned about me as an individual.
Being a surviving spouse, you know, her husband is the one that earned the benefit. She wasn't the one that served in the military. Knowing what she's overcome and, you know, just having the opportunity to help her become a homeowner was definitely very satisfying.
The public don't realize when you go into war, a lot of things happen to you and your body. It's a price for everything. Nothing's free.
With his specially adapted housing grant, he was granted so much money to redo his bathroom to make it accessible for him.
This guy spoiled me with communication. Like I was on the phone with AJ 2 or 3 times a week.
Being able to help veterans get into a home and call a place their own permanently after everything that they've been through, it means the world to me.
As a veteran, the home loan benefit is something that you've earned, and they're there to help you make the most of it.
You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.